So stitches came out today, but I'm still bandaged for another week. But we doing this update. Took me 3.5 hours to put this makeup on. We filming this update today. Everyone, it's Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, I have my Decca painting update for September. I'm rolling out 4 products, which is kind of, whoa. It took me 3.5 hours to do my makeup, like I said, and I'm going to talk about why in just a second. So if you're new to this or new to my channel, hello, thank you so much for joining me today. This is a project that was created by Emily from over on Emily and Max. I will have all the pertinent information linked in the description box down below. She came up with this really fun roulette style project pan that I absolutely love. I think I love random things like this because number one, it pushes me out of my comfort zone, and number two, it pushes me to think about products that may not get used unless they're in this type of project. So we have 5 products going unless you draw the 6th product card. So let me talk to you about what's been in here the longest, and that is this. This is my BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. My goal was to hit every single shade, or use, not hit, but use every single shade, and I did. So the only look that you guys didn't see was the green. That's all I'm going to say about that. So I hit my goal on this. This is going back in my collection. Actually, it'll go in my No Pan Left Behind basket. The next thing that's been in here the longest is this. This is the Becca, I think this is in Real. It's what's on my lips today. A really pretty kind of mauvey pinky nude. My goal was to use this 10 times. I've basically used this every time I've worn makeup over the last however long it's been in here. So I met my goal not long after the last update. So, but I really like it. I'm considering throwing this in my That's Expensive next year. Yes, I've already sat down and started planning my projects for next year. I need the Fantastic Ladies to pick a color, blue preferably, for 50 shades for next year, and I'll be able to sit down and decide every single thing I want to pan next year. So anyway, met my goal. So I rolled in 3 new things last update. So the first one was this. This is the Revolution Give Me More Power. It's a bullet lipstick on one side and a gloss on the other side. This gave me concealer lips. Like, it looked beautiful on the hand. If you go back and watch that video, it's beautiful on the hand. But on my face, no thank you. So this is actually going to be rolling out, and it's going to be a declutter, unfortunately. So yeah, that one's rolling out. The other one rolling out is this. This is the reason why I had 4 eye looks today. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette. This is the one that was in the BoxyCharm. You're probably not going to believe me, but I used every flippin' shade in this palette today to try to create an eye look, and none of them would perform well. Like, none of them. Even the shimmers. It was awful. I was so disappointed. Like, these 2 are so patchy, so I don't know if that's her formula or that it's this palette is a couple of years old. It was a BoxyCharm exclusive. I haven't gotten BoxyCharm since like 2019. So I can't say that her palette, like her formula is garbage, but this palette, I'm done. Done. No thank you. Someone else may be able to use it because, like, I hate the Pat McGrath palettes, or like the big Pat McGrath palette, and everybody loves that. So just because I hate it doesn't mean it won't work for somebody else, but yeah. And then last but not least, the one that is staying in is this. This is the JCat Dia and Noches Around the Clock eyeshadow palette. I just didn't want to do a blue today, y'all. I'm wearing a dress. I'll try to remember to insert a picture. I went and got my stitches out, and I was like, I'm wearing this dress. I bought this on for vacation and only got to wear it one time. So yeah, so this is really pretty. This formula and these are fantastic. They just released 2 bigger palettes, and I'm like, I don't know. So this is staying, so we need to draw 4 new cards, and I use an app, thank God, because there's no way in hell I'd be able to shuffle with this hand. So I'm going to draw 4 cards and write them down. Hopefully you can see 4 clubs. There is a joker in here. 4 clubs the last time. Do I need to, oh, here, let's shuffle. Okay, I shuffled it 3 times. Jesus, Mary, Josephine. Queen of Spades. A queen is a random color. All the face cards stay the same. 5 of diamonds. 6 clubs. And un more. 7 of clubs. Alright, let's pull up the game board. You guys will have to let me know in the comments down below if you want me to put up the game board so you can see it. I just feel like if you're watching me do this update, you're probably watching other people do this update. But if you want that, let me know. Deck of panning, panning of the deck. Okay, so we know the queen is a random color generator. The 5 of diamonds is a primer. Okay. The 6 of clubs is collecting cobwebs. And the 7 of clubs is an indie. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. So in case you didn't hear all that, oh, we need a random color, but I got 5 of diamonds, which is a primer, a 6 of clubs, which is collecting cobwebs, and then the 7 of clubs, which is an indie brand. So let's pull up a random color. Do I have a random color generator? Nah. This phone. Blue. Wasn't that what I got the last time? I think I got the color of my shirt. All right. Okay. 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 I'll be right back. That was harder than I anticipated, y'all. Okay. So let's start with the queen, which is the random color generator. I'm bringing in this. This is the Juvia's Place Walhalla palette. And I'm going to focus on using this blue. Probably twice, 2 times. I know, cop out, but hand. So my goal is going to be to use this 2 times. I'm also bringing this in for the indie brand. And for indie, I'm going to do a look using these first 2 rows right here. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So these 8 shadows, 1 time each. This blue probably twice. So that's going to be for the 7 of clubs and the queen of spade. No. Yeah, queen of spade. More eyeshadow, Misty. Good job. For the 5 of diamonds, I got a primer. I'm bringing in this. This is the Makeup Revolution Hydrate Primer. I honestly don't know if I've ever used this. It doesn't look full. But my goal is going to be to use this 5 times. If I like it, I may go ahead and just roll it in. Because I don't have a regular primer. All of the primers I'm working on right now are illuminators. So I'm going to give this a go with 5 times each. Or 5 times. And then for collecting cobwebs, I pulled out this. This is the Revolution Mega Bronzer in the color Warm. I have both of the colors of these. I've had them for several years. I don't think I've ever used them. I may have swatched. This doesn't even look swatched. So for this, my goal is going to be, I think, to wear off the pattern. I'm not working on a bronzer right now, so we'll see if we can get at least the dots worn off on that. So that's it. So I need to use every shade in this palette. We're gonna wear off the pattern. Gonna do 5 times, and then for the Walhalla palette, I'm gonna do the first 2 rows and then this blue shadow 2 times. That's it. Let me know how you're doing in your project. Have you started planning projects for next year? Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. I'm here every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, unless something happens. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.